Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Here we are with another page. Its number is 9. In this page, if we look at the top line, look and say. Look and say. Now what it is written? Let me read it for you. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel. The rest of the letters are called consonants. We use a before a word beginning with a consonant. Okay, now look at this picture. This is the picture of an ant. Now this is the word ant. Ant. Now the word ant starts with a vowel. A is a vowel. See, A is the vowel. And before the vowel, there is an. So it is, if we call it, we will call it an ant. There is egg, an egg. Why an? Because in the word egg, the starting letter is E. E is also another vowel. So before any word starting with the vowel, we always use an. So before egg we write an egg. But in a bat, bat. Now the word bat starts with a consonant. This is b. It is not a vowel. B is a consonant. So before a word starting with consonants, we always write a. We will not say an bat. We will say a bat. Similarly, in this picture, this is a picture of a cap and this is the word written cap. Now the word cap starts with a consonant. This is C-K and C-K is a consonant. So before consonants, we always write a. So, see, look at these pictures. An ant, an egg, a bat, a cap. And when we come down to these pictures, the question is, what is this? What will you say? Will you say this is an bell? No. The word bell starts with a B. Okay? Bell. So look at the starting word. It is a B. B is a consonant. You will not write an, but you will write a. A bell. A hat. A hat. Because the word hat starts with a consonant. H is a consonant. A letter. A letter. So, the word letter starts with an L. L is a consonant. We will say a letter. This is a letter. This is a bell. This is a hat. Or you can also say it. It is a letter. Come down to another picture. Umbrella. Now, umbrella starts. Now, the word umbrella starts with a U. Look at me. Umbrella. See, the word umbrella starts with a U. U is a vowel. So we will write an umbrella. Before every vowel, we write an. So this is the picture of a nest. I will not write an nest. I will write a nest because the word nest starts with a consonant. So before consonants, we always write a. And the last picture is of an arrow. Now, you tell me, what should I write before arrow? Arrow. Yes, well done. The word arrow starts with an A. A is a vowel. See? Now before the vowel, I will write an, and I will say it is an arrow. Look at this. It is an ant. It is an egg. It is a bat. It is a cap. It is a bell. It is a hat. It is a ladder. It is an umbrella. It is a nest. It is an arrow. So keep on practicing. Do more. Allah Hafiz.